Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Free Download Manager for Mac. Free Download Manager is a tool that helps you download files from the internet faster and more efficiently. It allows you to pause and resume downloads, manage large files, download videos, and even handle torrents, all in one place. Open web browser. I am using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. Go to Google search. Type here. Download. FDM. Press enter. Click on first link. Free Download Manager. Now FDM official website is open. So you can see the FDM available for Windows, macOS, Android and Linux. I am using macOS. Scroll down. So click on macOS. Scroll down. Click on Download. Now the downloading is started. It is 55 megabytes setup file. Now the downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Right-click on fdm.dmg file. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Close Downloads. Drag Free Download Manager to Applications. FDM copying to application. Now close FDM. Eject FDM disk. Click on Launchpad. Click FDM. Click Open. Now the Free Download Manager is open. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.